Okay, question 1 wants us to find the equation of the tangent line for this curve here. It's given us the point, so we just need to find the gradient, and then we can use y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. But finding the gradient is going to be the tricky part. We're going to need to use the quotient rule, which is u dash v minus u v dash all over v squared. So this is going to be my u, and this is going to be my v. So we are going to get for dy by dx, we're going to differentiate the first for u dash, that's just going to be 2, so 2 lots of the denominator, 3x take 1, take away v dash, so the denominator, the differential of the denominator here, so that's 3 times the top, 3 lots of 2x plus 1, all divided by the square of the bottom of the denominator. So I'm just going to tidy up the top a little bit. That's going to give me 6x take 2 take 6x take 3. So that's 3x take 1 all squared still on the bottom. And that, obviously you can see the 6x's there are going to cancel, and that's just going to leave us with minus 5 on the top. So minus 5 over 3x take 1 all squared. The point that we're given is 1, 3 over 2, so we need to know the gradient when x equals 1. So when x equals 1, dy by dx is minus 5 over 2 squared over 4, so minus 5 quarters. So we can then do, as I said earlier, the y minus y1, and y1 was 3 over 2, equals m, the gradient, x take away x1, which is just 1. Next thing I'm going to do is times everything by 4. I tend to do this automatically if there's any fractions in my question, but quite often if there's fractions they ask for it in this form here, where it needs a, b and c to be integers, which will happen if you just get rid of the fractions. So timesing by 4 will give me 4y, timesing this by 4 will just give me 6, because I need to divide by 2, equals negative 5 x take 1. And if I expand the brackets there, I'm going to get minus 5x plus 5. So 4y take 6 equals minus 5x plus 5. If I add 5x on, that's going to give me 5x. I've got my plus 4y. And if I take away this 5, that's going to give me negative 11 equals 0.